I think he's worked very hard towards it. When all of us were shooting and we all used to have lunch and dinner together, all of us would be eating biryani and chocolates and ice cream, and he'd be eating all his diet food. So he's really worked very hard towards it. And to get a six-pack, I think in a matter of 3 months, he's really trained very hard for it. No. I'm not skeptical at all. I think their film is looking very nice. I think Mr. Bansali, he's God gifted. I think he's done a fantastic job, and I wish them all the best. And I don't think there should be any comparison because we are all here to make films. We've all enjoyed making our respective films. So it's been a wonderful experience for us and for them, and I'm sure both films will do equally well. मैं इस बात से सहमत हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि फारा और शाहरुख इतने एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं, तो उनसे एडवाइस लेना और एडवाइस और टू टेक एडवाइस फ्रॉम देम एंड ऑल्सो टू आस्क देम माई ओपिनियन ऑन सर्टेन थिंग्स. I think they are very experienced and I'm fortunate to have them as my...
Are you nervous about the fact that you're the most, like people expect that you're the most promising face of this film? Are you nervous about this fact?
A little bit. I'm more nervous because it's my first film and because it's my first release. But apart from that, I'm very happy that people are expecting so much out of me. I'd like to thank everyone. But genuinely and truly, I have, more than anything, I've enjoyed making this film and I've enjoyed every single day of my shoot.
What are you going to do on November 9th?
On November 9th, well, we haven't planned anything yet. मैं चाहती हूँ कि शायद सब दोस्तों के साथ मैं शायद थिएटर में जाके देखूँगी. Sorry? I remember one day when I had very high fever and there was a scene where Shah Rukh has to walk around me, and when he was walking around me, he suddenly felt that I was very hot. So he called for medicines and he cancelled the shoot and he didn't allow me to shoot till the fever went down. So that is something, because I think he is a very professional person, but at the same time he's a very nice human being and he cares a lot. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Definitely, I'd like to work with all the actors. I think it's as an actor, it's a good experience to work with different kinds of actors. It's a good experience to work with different kinds of directors. So I would definitely love to work with anyone.
Your future projects?
They're still in the pipeline. I can't talk about them right now. मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम सिर्फ दोस्त थे और दोस्त हैं और there is nothing more than that. Thank you.